Turin, the capital of Italy's Piedmont region, is often overlooked compared to Milan, but it's one of Italy's most beautiful cities. With the stunning Alps as a backdrop, it offers grand piazzas, covered walkways, and famous attractions like the Royal Palace and the Mole Antonelliana. The city is peaceful, without large crowds, which makes it even more enjoyable. One of the best things to do in Turin is to have an aperitivo, with vermouth being the drink most commonly enjoyed. Turin's charm and calm make it a hidden gem worth visiting. So, let's explore the best things to do in Turin. Number 1. The Turin Duomo. Also known as the Cathedral of St. John the Baptist, Turin Duomo is a famous church in Turin. It is home to the Holy Shroud of Turin, also called the Sacra Sindone. This is a piece of linen cloth that many believe was placed over Jesus' body after his crucifixion. The shroud is one of the most well-known and talked about religious relics in the world. People from all over the world, both faithful believers and curious visitors, come to Turin to see it. While some believe in its connection to Jesus, others debate its history. This sacred relic remains a major attraction for those interested in religion and history. 2. Mole Antonelliana. The Mole Antonelliana is the most famous building in Turin and home to the National Museum of Cinema. Built in 1889, this tall tower is a key part of the city's skyline. It has a unique design with a large pyramid-shaped dome and a spire that reaches 551 feet high. The Mole Antonelliana stands out as one of the tallest brick buildings in the world. Visitors can go up to its viewing platform to enjoy stunning views of Turin and the surrounding area. This iconic landmark is not only a symbol of the city, but also a popular spot for those who love history, architecture, and breathtaking panoramas. 3. Piazza San Carlo. Piazza San Carlo in Turin is one of the city's most beautiful baroque squares. It is located on Via Roma, between Piazza Castello and Piazza Carlo Felice. This square is lively and full of history. It is surrounded by elegant buildings with covered walkways known as porticos. Many of these buildings house historic cafes where people can relax and enjoy the atmosphere. Two twin churches, Santa Cristina and San Carlo Borromeo, add to the square's charm and symmetry. Piazza San Carlo is a favorite spot for both locals and visitors, offering a mix of culture, history, and lively city life. 4. Piazza Castello. Turin's Piazza Castello is a place where you can explore the city's rich history. This large square is home to stunning landmarks like the Savoy Royal Palace and Palazzo Madama, which was the first home of the Italian Parliament. The square is surrounded by elegant covered walkways known as porticos, where you'll find charming shops and inviting cafes. Walking through Piazza Castello feels like stepping back in time, while still enjoying the lively atmosphere of modern Turin. It's one of the city's must-visit spots, blending historical beauty with vibrant city life, and offers something for everyone to enjoy. 5. Gran Madre and Piazza Vittorio Veneto. The Gran Madre di Dio Church is a stunning landmark with a dome inspired by Rome's Pantheon. It stands impressively near the Vittorio Emanuele I Bridge and Piazza Vittorio Veneto, looking especially beautiful at night. Built by the Savoy family to celebrate King Vittorio Emanuele's return after the 1815 Congress of Vienna, the church is also famous for its appearance in the movie The Italian Job, where Mini Coopers raced down its steps. Nearby Piazza Vittorio Veneto, or just Piazza Vittorio, is a lively spot. In the evenings, people gather here for aperitivos, ice cream, or to enjoy the views of the Po River. By day, it's great for shopping, coffee, pastries, and people watching. It's the perfect place to soak up the atmosphere. 6. Viaa. Viaa is a major and impressive street in the heart of Turin. It stretches from Piazza Castello to Piazza Vittorio Veneto in a straight line. The street is lined with tall, beautiful porticos for pedestrians on both sides, making it a pleasant walk. Along the way, you'll find some of the city's most stylish shops, well-known bookstores, and famous cafes with a lot of history. This street is a key part of Turin's charm, offering both elegance and a glimpse into the city's cultural and commercial life. It's a great place to explore and enjoy the local atmosphere. 7. Basilica of Superga. The Basilica of Superga, built in 1731, is one of the most important churches in Turin. It is a beautiful example of Baroque classical architecture. The basilica is not only a must-see for people who love architecture, but also for history lovers. Inside, you can find the royal crypt, which holds the tombs of the House of Savoy, a powerful royal family. This makes the basilica even more special, as it connects both art and history. Whether you're interested in stunning buildings or historical sites, the Basilica of Superga is a fascinating place to visit. 8. Po River. The Po River, or Fiume Po, is the longest river in Italy, stretching over 400 miles. It starts in the Alps near the French border and flows east, passing through cities like Turin, Piacenza, and Ferrara. The river also connects to Milan through a system of canals before flowing into the Adriatic Sea. The Po Valley, where the river flows, is one of the most fertile and green areas in Italy. This region is known for its rich soil, making it perfect for farming and supporting many crops and plants. 9. Juventus Stadium. Juventus Stadium, also known as Allianz Stadium, is one of the most famous places in Turin, Italy, especially for soccer fans. It opened in 2011 after the old Stadio delle Alpi was torn down. The stadium is home to Juventus, one of Italy's best soccer teams. Visitors can enjoy more than just the games. The stadium also has the Juventus Museum, which shows the team's history and achievements. There is also a shopping center nearby for fans to explore. If you love soccer, Juventus Stadium is a place you must visit when in Turin. 10. Piazza Stazione. Piazza Stazione is a famous square in Turin. It is surrounded by neoclassical buildings and busy roads. At the top of the square stands a statue that honors the workers who built the Frejus rail tunnel, which goes through the Alps. The square was completed in 1865, during a time when Turin was the first capital city of the newly formed Kingdom of Italy. This historic square has a lot of significance and is an important part of Turin's past and present. It combines beautiful architecture with a reminder of Italy's history and the hard work that shaped it.